Hey you guys, today's recipe is herbal lemonade. Grab a small pot and add 1/2 cup of water, as well as 8 tablespoons of sugar. If you want to spice things up, add some ginger. Next, add as much mint as you like. For this recipe, we use 35 mint leaves. Add mint to your mixture and cook on the stove until the sugar is dissolved. Now it's time to roll our lemons so they're easier to juice. Make sure you have an adult help you cut the lemons in half. If you don't have a juicer, just squeeze the lemons into a regular cup. Combine the lemon juice along with the mint syrup and enjoy. Try this kid-friendly recipe at home.